Hey, I'm Randy with BBQGuys, and today I'm excited to introduce the Blaze Outdoor Oven. This is a full-size cooking appliance that opens up a world full of capabilities. Whether you're roasting meats, enjoying baked goods, or some really good homemade pizza, this thing will truly elevate your backyard experience. Let's check it out. The Blaze Outdoor Oven can be built into an outdoor kitchen like you see here, mounted to a freestanding cart, or used with a tabletop stand to maximize flexibility for any setup. It features a digital screen for precise temperature control, ensuring accurate and consistent cooking results. The push-button rotating stone helps evenly cook pizzas, eliminating hot spots and ensuring professional quality results with minimal effort. Designed for both pizza and rotisserie cooking, combining the rotating stone with the built-in rotisserie feature delivers perfectly roasted meats and versatile cooking options such as baking. The LED lit knobs offer enhanced visibility, making nighttime cooking safe, convenient, and stylish. The Blaze oven operates between 250 and 600 degrees. With just 1/8 of an inch turn, adjust the temperature in 50-degree increments for precise temperature management. The Blaze Outdoor Oven is equipped with 2 meat probes to monitor internal food temperature, making it easy to achieve your preferred doneness. These 2 included baking racks let you cook more than one item at a time, and the rotisserie kit makes for roasting perfection. For added safety, the door features double-walled glass that is cool to the touch and helps you see what's inside. The Blaze Outdoor Oven is constructed from 304 stainless steel. The full-size drip tray simplifies grease management, making cleanup quick and hassle-free. Make this the centerpiece of your backyard gatherings and enjoy Blaze's Outdoor Oven for years to come with their best-in-class lifetime warranty. Thanks for watching today. Stay tuned for more expert reviews, and remember, at BBQGuys, life is better in your backyard.